The apple cider vinegar has so many benefits in our body, internally and externally. What is the difference of the apple cider vinegar into the white vinegar? The apple cider vinegar undergo the fermentation process, which turns the sugar and make it as a beneficial benefits to our body, and contains the probiotics and good enzymes. Some doctors recommend this apple cider vinegar as the therapeutic medicines for the acid reflux, the GERD, the liver problems, and also it has benefits in our face. This can also use as our natural facial toner. So for those people, they call this apple cider vinegar as the superfood liquid because it has so many functions, purposes that can help our body, and also it can help in cooking our food and in the preparation of our salads. So that's why they call this the apple cider vinegar as the superfood liquid. In this video, I'm going to share to you one benefit of this apple cider vinegar, because as you can see, I have an acne here. I think this is due to my hormonal imbalance, hormonal change, or maybe my skin irritates whenever I use the facial mask, because I am working every day, so I usually wear the face mask, face shield, and I think this is the effect. So I searched the internet about the natural toner that can help my face lessen this acne or my pimples. So the internet popped up to me this apple cider vinegar. So I used this last night, and then I decided to share to you what is the effect of this apple cider in my face, because I used this last night as my facial toner. And the benefit, also advantage, this is not too expensive and it cannot harm your face, because you can use this in two ways. Number one, you can concentrate the apple cider vinegar into the water in the ratio of 50-50 or 2-3. Or for those people who do not have a sensitive skin, you can use directly this apple cider vinegar into your face. And what is the amazing factor is that you can also use this apple cider vinegar into your working hands, like me. And if you use this apple cider vinegar in your hands, it is amazing because it will turn your hands into a youthful look and a glowing, including your face also. So let's start the facial toner by using this apple cider vinegar. But before I proceed, be sure to hit the notification bell button into all, so that you will be notified whenever I have a new upload video for you to watch. So let's begin. I will be washing my face by Lux and by this Pond's facial wash, because this is the facial wash for the active people who are always going out of the house, like me, because I am a working mom. That's why I choose this, because this can help my face whenever I go out, because of the pollution, because of the dust and whatsoever. So I will be washing my face with Lux and this one. It's too many. So in washing your face, you can also do the facial yoga, which is strengthening or massaging our face like this. Sometimes I am using warm water for washing my face because I feel relaxing whenever I wash my face with warm water or hot water. And then I will be using the Lux because Lux makes my skin moisturize and it softens my face. That's why I like this Lux to wash my face. And also this is very mild soap, Lux. This is not an advertisement, but I am using this for a long time ago. So I'll be rinsing my face, but you can count up to 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, in washing your face, you can also do the lymphatic drainage. I am doing this because later, after my video, I'm going to take a bath. So, let's concentrate on my face. So, I will be rinsing my face. So I'm done. I feel my face is very smooth because of the Lux. So we're going back to our table. So this is our kitchen and Lux. So after I wash my face, let's wait for it dries. Then we will be making the preparation of the apple cider vinegar as facial toner. So let's wait until my face is dry. And again, for those who are new in my channel, and if you are interested, please don't forget to hit the notification bell button into all so that you will be notified whenever I have a new upload video. So let's start. Of course, you need the cotton and this apple cider vinegar. But before we use this, be sure to shake because there's a content of a very thick portion at the bottom of the bottle. This is what they call the mother. So let's shake it, and then we need also a water. For those who are having a sensitive skin like me, we will be doing the preparation of 2:3 or 50-50. But for me, I will be using or making the concentration ratio of 1:1. So this is the cup, and I'll be using the cup of the apple cider. This one. And then water. Shake it. So this is the concentration. When you do this, you will be noticing the smell is not so good, but the effect is very good. And what are the disadvantages of using this at night? Of course, the smell, and the smell will be going into your bed, into your pillow, into your blanket. So I suggest if you have a pillow mate, inform him that you are using the apple cider vinegar. If you are going out of the house every day, you can use this concentration every night before you go to bed. Just make a small cotton and then apply it into your face and leave it leave it midnight, and then when you wake up you can wash your face. So let's begin this one. The smell is not so good, but the effect is very good. Again, if you have sensitive skin, you can make a concentration of more water than the apple cider vinegar. If you are asking how many days will you be noticing the effect of lessening the acne, as I've read the internet, it is written that for 2 weeks to 2 months. So let's make a second coating. It is also proven, according to the research, that applying this apple cider concentration in your face, your face will look glowing, your dark spots and your acne will be lightened also. But for me, I noticed that last night when I first used this on my face, I see the difference of the feeling that my face is stretching. So it has so many benefits. If you have some benefits that you notice when you're using this one, please put on the comment box so that everybody can know what is the benefits on your face.
I was never really like this before, never I say more, or maybe
I hope you learned something from my video today, and if you do, please hit the like buttons. You will help me a lot. So until here, I'll see you in my next video episode. Bye-bye.
That's you and me. I'm a little bit of crazy, I'm a little bit of a fool, I'm a little bit of lonely, I'm a little bit of oh, I need a cure. Just a little bit of you.